Welcome to our latest video, and my goodness, it's a great DIY day today because all around me I can hear lawnmowers, power tools and good knows what. But today is all about the Vegtrug. This is a fantastic way to grow fresh produce, so all of your vegetables, all of your salad crops, all of your fruits on your patio, in your garden, anywhere. Even if, in fact, if you live in a block of flats, the Vegtrug allows you to really make a difference and grow your own. First of all, let me show you what it consists of. Now, when it arrives, it will be packaged. The courier will carry it into your house, put it exactly where you want. And the first thing to do is to carefully unpack it, check the instructions, make sure everything's there, just like I've done. And this is what we can see behind me here. We've got the two made sign paddles here. So you've got two in total there. I'm just going to set those off to one side. We won't need those for a few moments. Then we've got the top of the side panels, which we'll come back to again at the very end of the construction job. Now this piece here is incredibly important. This is the spine of the whole Vegtrug, so I'm just going to set that down where we'll need it, which is just in front of me. The legs come flat packed, so this is how they arrive in 3 sections, and all you do is bolt those together, and I'm going to show you how to do one of those. We have, however, pre-assembled the other 2 in readiness just to make this video a little bit quicker. So I'll just set those down there. The final sections are the 2 end pieces. Now these are pre-made, so they fit very, very neatly. One on one end, one on the other end, and we can see here we have the wood all set in position, ready, so it guides it in, puts it in exactly the right location for you. Okay, so let's just start looking at how we put together the legs. Constructing these is very easy. I'll just pop that one down there. The cross member, which is all pre-jointed, just fits in very snugly to that position there. Now, I have a bolt here. All I do, these all come specially packaged. Pop the bolt in there. Pop the washer on. Okay, now that's 1/2 of the leg constructed. So we repeat the process again. Same situation, so let's pop the bolt out there. Let's pop the washer on. Okay, now that's the first of the 3 legs. I'm just going to literally give the bolts a quick tighten with the socket set, and then I'll show you how to put together the main spine and the 3 legs. Okay, that's just tight enough. That's one done. Now I've got to just do the other side. Now I'm going to show you how to connect the first of the legs. Now if you're working on your own, you can do it exactly the way I'm about to show you, which you can do single-handed. Of course, if somebody's got around to give you a hand, then that's even better. So just turn this that way round. I'm going to pick up the main spine here, and I'm just going to position this to the exact position where it needs to be. Okay, so I'm just going to rest that there. I'm going to get my cordless screwdriver. This is an invaluable tool, takes much of the time and effort from doing jobs like this. There we are, and in she goes. Okay, that's the first screw. 2 screws to hold the joint really, really firmly. Okay, that's the first one. All I've got to do is pop the 2 end ones on now. so we've constructed the 3 legs, we've connected them to the central spine, and now we're ready to start attaching the main side panels, those panels that will hold everything together for us. Now, here's the first one. I'm going to show you exactly how you put it together. Okay, just pick it up and slot it in, and what it does very cleverly is it just sits up nicely against this central spine. And then again, we've got 2 screws for here, here and here to just pop in, that holds everything absolutely perfectly square and steady. Okay, so I'm going to start at this end, get everything exactly where it needs to be from that perspective. So, okay, in goes our first. Okay, now for the middle section, and then of course the end section just here. So that's the first of the side sections on. Now I'm going to pop the second one straight in as well. So up she comes. Again, slotting in. Everything is designed with this particular unit, so it's quick, easy, and absolutely foolproof. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to attach the 2 ends. I'm just going to turn that around for you. I'm going to get the first of the ends. Now, this couldn't be easier. They've got the pre-built sections that go on there to guide everything into the exact position it goes in. That's it on. Now, a couple of screws to hold that in position. All of the screws obviously come included in the pack. What of course you can see about this is just how well constructed it is, how solid it is, and how well designed it is. So you've got these strong H legs, you've got this really attractive rustic finish, and of course all of the fixings there. So I'm just going to pop the other end on, and then we'll put the side barriers on as well. Okay, so now we're ready for the final sections, which are the end boards there, and here's the first of them. These fix at both ends and of course the middle, so I'm just going to slot this in first, pop the first of the screws into the middle section there. Okay. Okay, once we've got that one in position, we can then level everything up. And of course the second. Okay. Now the very final piece of the wood to be applied goes on this side. And then the last 2 screws go into this top board at this end. Okay, now that's one Vegtrug constructed, ready to actually start putting the liner in, putting the compost on, and then we can start getting some plants in there so we really can look forward to the first crops that this will produce for us.